Yeah, hi everyone. So welcome to SK Technologies. In this video, I will explain you network file system. So normally people are calling as a NFS as a short name NFS. Definitely in real time people are using this NFS or sometimes they are calling as a NAS share. So what does it mean exactly? It's a normal file system only. How we did in the previous sessions. Okay, in the disk partition LVM sessions we did right. It's a normal file system only. So you can mount in the same server. But NFS means the same file system you are mounting in the another server, which is the same server. If you mounted, that's a local mount. But with the help of the network, we are mounting the same file system in another server. Okay. So if you want to implement the NFS, so definitely minimum you need, okay, so minimum two servers required. Fine. So two servers are required. One server called as a NFS Master server, and another server is a NFS Client server. Okay. So how we did in the LVM, same way you can create a file system and mount in one server. Okay. Then you can do some configuration. We will see those under. We will export that file system into the network. Then in the second server, you can go and mount it. So in the second server, no need to create any file system. You can go and simply check the availability of the networking file systems. Then you can simply mount that. You can use it. But here one more tricky interview question also. So after you implementing the NFS, what you are achieving? So with the help of the NFS, we are storing our data in the remote system, remote server. We are not storing the data in local server. So in the client side, after mounting the NFS, if you go inside and you can go and try to write something. Okay, I mean try to add the data. The actual data is not storing in your NFS client server. It's storing in your master server. It means it's a source server wherever you executed, wherever you exported. Okay. So technically we will see how to set up this NFS. What are the things you have to perform, then how to export, then the client side, how to mount it, how to check the availability of the NFS, all these things we will see. Okay, so definitely in the real time people are using this. Fine. So NFS means it's a normal file system only, but you are exporting into the network. And within the network, whatever the servers are available on those servers, you can go and mount it. Okay. So if you want to set up, if you want to configure this NFS, so minimum two servers are required. So one is definitely master server, that is your source server where you are exporting your file system. Then in the second side, client server. Okay, that is you are mounting that NFS file system. That's it, guys. So here couple of things you have to perform on the master server only, and a couple of things you have to perform in the NFS client server, and in the both servers you have to do couple of things. So now we will see on both servers. Okay, so whatever I am writing now on both servers, which means NFS master and NFS client. Thereafter we will see what are the things you need to do in the master server only, then on client server only we will see. So first thing is, so if you want to implement this, first you need to install NFS package. We already clearly discussed about the packages, Linux installation, Linux packages. So if you anybody not sure about the installation, please watch those videos. Okay, it will be available in my channel playlist. So you can simply go and watch those all videos, then get familiar with the installation. So what is the NFS package name? So package name is nfs-utils. This is the package name. So you need to do both master and slave. Then second thing, start the service. Okay. So start the service. The service name also nfs-utils. Earlier there is a service name called nfsd, but nowadays they updated. So with the service name also the same package name only. Okay, so you can check both. So whichever working you can go and start the service and verify. The starting how to start the service is also very simple. Systemctl start. We will see technically all the commands I will show you. Don't worry. Okay. Then you have to do the main thing. This is the major thing actually. Even in the real time also, you have to open and or enable the port number, NFS port number, which is 2049. This is the port number. Okay, so this is the port number you have to enable in the both sides. I will show you one by one all this stuff. Okay, so that's it. Only these three steps you have to perform on both master server and okay, so master server and your client server. Now I will go and mention here only on master. Okay, on master server. So now whatever I am going to explain, this only you have to execute in the master server. Okay, so create a file system. You know already how to create a file system. If you are not sure, again you can go back and check the LVM videos, disk partition videos. Okay, create the file system, then simply export the file system. Let me write a short form. FS means file system, then verify. That's it guys, only these three steps on master server. Now we will discuss on client server. Okay, on client server these are the steps. So here simply you can check the availability of check the available NFS file systems in the network. Okay, so whatever they exported, you can check whatever the server and whatever the NFS is available for the server, you can verify. Then you can simply mount the networking file system. Then you can validate. That's it, guys. You can validate. You can verify both are same. That's it. These are the steps you need to perform on the client server. Fine. So that's it. If you want to implement, you have to follow this. So technically, I will explain in the next video. Okay, step by step. We will try to install the package. We will try to start the service, and we will enable the port also. Okay, the port enabling already the separate video I have created. Anyhow, I will show you it again. And the client side, master side, these are the steps you have to perform. Fine. So that's it for this video, guys. In the next video, technically we will see. Thank you.